everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a paper jam on an HP Deskjet 2742e printer. This will be a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you are experiencing a paper jam on this printer, or pretty much any HP Deskjet printer, I'm going to go over the steps to clear it out. Now, the good thing is that paper jams on these printers, and generally on home printers like all-in-one printers like these, are very rare. So if you're experiencing many paper jams, know that it's a rare exception and that maybe you should look into aligning your printer, because they usually don't happen on these, but on occasion you might get a paper jam. So here's what you do, okay? So I'm just gonna bring this in just to make it easier to get access to everything. First and foremost, you wanna remove all of the full sheets of paper from the input tray. So I'm going to remove all the full sheets of paper from the input tray, okay, just like that. Then what you want to do is you want to see if the printer will clear the jam by itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to push the X button, the cancel button, and you're going to push that. And if the printer can clear the jam by itself, it's going to try and clear it out. Sometimes it's just that there's a lot of paper bunched up, and that's what causes the jam. So removing the paper, the full sheets from the input tray, and then pushing the cancel button, that red X, will hopefully allow the printer to just clear it out. And most of the time, that should work. So most of the time, it's done that quickly. But if it doesn't work, then you're going to have to manually clear it out, okay? So what you want to try and do is, over here, you're probably going to have a piece of paper that is sticking up over here because it's probably jammed, and there might still be some of that jammed paper that is sticking up here. If you can see the paper here that's sticking up, the jammed piece of paper, use two hands, one on either side. So your left hand would go here, your right hand would go here, and pull that paper up with a firm grip. Try to keep it as together as possible, because any pieces that get ripped off are going to get caught in the printer, and you got to manually get those out, okay? So what you want to do at that point is see if the printer will then be able to clear the jam. So push the cancel button once you've removed that sheet of paper right there. Push the cancel button. See if the printer will clear the jam. And if it's still jammed up, then you're going to have to manually try and get those sheets of paper out. Now, if you look at this HP Deskjet 2742e printer, so once again, that's a mouthful, HP Deskjet 2742e printer. If you look at it, the paper comes in through here, it feeds through the middle here, and then it comes out through the output tray. So you're going to go down here. If your output tray is down like this, you're going to but open the secondary door, which is what you do to change the ink cartridges, okay? Now at this point, you can see if there's any jammed paper in here. So you can look, see if you have access to any of the paper, because the paper essentially goes through here and then just comes out from down there. So your paper is gonna pass through here, so you can try and carefully remove any pieces of paper. And like I said, exercise extreme caution. What you can also do if you want is close this door so that the cartridges move to the side, okay? So you're going to let the cartridges sort of move to the side and go back to their home position, which will happen in just a moment, okay? Then you're going to unplug the printer, and then you can open that secondary door again, and then you'll have better access. And you can do that. It's up to you. Exercise extreme safety and extreme caution. So like I said, I can unplug the printer, which will turn it off. And then now if I open this door, I have access to the whole area right here, and the cartridges stay to the side. And you can hopefully clear up the jam like that. And then when you're done, just, try and run a new print job just to make sure that it works properly. But you should be able to clear up a paper jam using those methods. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.